Hello, children. This week, our sight words are that. That. He loves that book. He loves that book. He loves that book. That. Our next sight word is there. There. What is over there? What is over there? What is over there? There. Our next sight word is up. 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 Up and away. Up. Up and away. Up, up and away. Up. Our final sight word is we. We. We are all so happy. We are all so happy. We are all so happy. We. These are all our sight words for this week. Why don't you see if you can make sentences of your own using these words? Have fun and have a great week.